Google I/O 2025 just dropped a bombshell. Manual SEO is basically over. Welcome to the AI first era. What was announced at I/O 2025 AI mode? Now within Search Labs, US Google One users, powered by Gemini 2.0. Users can ask complex, multi-part visual and text queries. And the AI gives evaluated, synthesized answers. Not just links, AI overviews have expanded globally. Summaries of top page results, delivering zero-click answers. Why it means the end of manual SEO. No longer just optimizing titles, headings, and backlinks, now brands need to optimize for AI inclusion. Enter AI SEO, Answer Engine Optimization, AEO, and Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. It's not enough to rank. You need to be cited within AI-generated answers. Structured data, clear answers, topical depth, EAT. These are now non-negotiables. Tactical shifts you need to make: adopt AI, SEO, AEO, GEO frameworks, craft conversational Q&A, clean schema markup, deep topical coverage, prioritize EEAT and high-quality sources. AI engines, prioritize trusted content. Use metadata like ai.txt to influence how agents and AIs consume your site. Focus on Agentic Optimization. Think about AI agents navigating or acting on your behalf. Your site must support that. Challenges and opportunities. Publishers worry about reduced traffic as Google displays answers directly. Some estimate 20-40% traffic decline, but smart publishers are leveraging the shift. E-commerce benefits. As AI might feature product listings prominently in authority sites, get featured if they optimize for AI citation and structure. Quick recap and CT manual SEO, AI SEO. Rank links. BAI cited. Keyword games, structured, trusted, deep content. Comment below. How will you pivot your SEO strategy for AI? Hit subscribe for more.